Okay, good morning, everyone. So, guys, let's start this with the case study. That is the using of the transformation called ranking transformation. Okay, so as you know already that the ranking transformation basically is used to identify the top and bottom performers. Okay, and there are two methods of ranking. That is called as a normal ranking and the dense ranking. Whereas the normal ranking is that where can you see whenever there is a similar that is values are given, the same ranks are given to this value, such as you have 7,000 and you have 7,000, two values are same. So here it is given as a rank number 3 and rank number 3. And whereas what is the next rank you have it, the next is what? 4. But actually one more rank will be skipped here. Okay. If the rank is repeated for 3 times, so again the same will be given the next number. That means it will be 6 or whatever it may be. So the rank will be skipped here. That is nothing but you have it in the normal method of ranking. And dense ranking is nothing but what? The dense ranking will skip, we won't skip it here. Can you see here? Here you have a 15,000 as a first rank. And the next value you have it as what, guys? Tell me now. Yes, the second rank is the 10,000 and the third rank is 7,000. Can you see here? 7,000 and 7,000. Both has the same value ranks. And now what is the next lowest value after 7,000? 2,000. So what's the rank given here? 4. There will be no skipping here of ranks. That is nothing but we have it in the rank transformation. Okay, everyone? Yes, guys? Hello? Are you there or not, everyone?
Yes, Samir.
Okay. So that is nothing but the rank transformation we have it. So let's begin with this. So everyone, so as per this, you have a specifications, and the specification is the source data store, and the source data store is ADLS2. I'm taking up the file called employeesinfo.csv, and then you have what's the sync data store, and the sync data store is a Azure SQL database with a table called employee. So based on this, you have to perform the ranking transformation. Okay, guys. So okay, so I'm just going ahead with this. So guys, let's start with this. Yes, everyone is there. Hello.
Yes, Samir.
So guys, let's begin with this. So I'm using the just go ahead with the resource group. So create the resource group. So as per this, I'm creating the resource group. Click on the create.
We're not able to see the screen.
Okay. I'm creating the resource group. So guys, I'm creating the resource group. Okay. So now here you have what is that? I'm using the ranking RG. What is it I want? Ranking RG. What is that? Ranking RG. So I'm using the ranking RG. So I'm just using the review and create. So can you see here? It is ready now. And next one, what is ready? You have to create the source. What is my source? My source is the ADLS Gen 2, guys. So just go ahead with this. Are you there, everyone?
Yeah.
And now just use it here. SQL. So I'm using the SQL. Click on the create. select it here, the resource group. So I'm just giving the can you see here? Anyways, what is my source? Guys, everyone, my source is the ADLS Gen 2. My source is ADLS Gen 2 and my target is Azure SQL database. So for that, let's create it here first. So create the source. My source is what? ADLS Gen 2, na? Just open this. So can you see here? I'm using this Azure SQL database. Click on the create. So use it here as what? Source ranking. Source ranking. That's it. Okay. Am I right? Source ranking. So use it here. Click on the create. So that's it, guys. So I'm using. So I'm just reopening it. So here the source is being prepared. So meanwhile, I'm creating the target. So for that, just open this ranking. Okay, guys, everyone. So I'm opening this and now use it here as what is that? SQL database, because my target is a SQL database. Am I audible, guys, everyone?
Yes, Sumesh, you are audible.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I'm just using this. So SQL, so just click on the create tab. So I'm just creating the, select the resource group, guys, everyone. I'm starting up the services because services will take much time. So target DB. And now you have to define the server. So I'm just creating the server. So use the server name Durga Soft Server 99 and use it here. Azure SQL authentication, you have to use it. So for the server, so I'm using Durga admin and the password is some password with a alphanumeric values. Click on OK. That's it, guys. And the next one, what is it? You have it. Tell me. Select the pricing tier and now select it. The basic less demanding workloads. Click on apply and click on the networking tab and select the public endpoint. Allow the firewall settings. Click on the review and again click on the create. That's it, guys. The target is being prepared now. Okay.
Shamir, otherwise you can connect on-premise SQL server. That is good. Me also. This one already tried, right? SQL database in Azure SQL database previous also.
Which one?
SQL database already the previous sessions also created and
We have
transferred
already
that.
seen this on-premises SQL server, no? So you want me to try with that, huh?
Yeah, I tried to yesterday, but that one it is anything it needed uh, runtime. It is sorry, self-hosted runtime. It is a manual download or that one it is not required.
You have to download it and register it.
Okay, okay, I tried to yesterday, but it is not coming.
Hmm.
Okay, I have tried.
Okay, anyway, so just click on the containers So guys, now I'm uploading the file. So what is my file? As per this, my file is what? So guys, I'm using input ranking. So guys, I'm using input ranking. Input ranking. Okay. So just click on the create input ranking. Just open this, everyone. Upload it. Browse. So here I'm using employees info. This is the file I wanted to use it. Upload the file. Now it is ready perfectly fine here. And see here the database is being still prepared. Still it is preparing. So I'm just going to that data factory. Meanwhile, I'm starting up the data factory. So click on this. So guys, for that, I'm using the data factory now. So click on the create tab. Select it here, everyone. Ranking RG. And now I'm using instant ranking data. Click on the review. And again, click on the create. So guys, anyway, all the services are being prepared. So the database is ready. So just go to the database here. So the server is the Durga Soft Server 99 and the target DB. And just click on this query editor here, everyone. And now use it here. I'm using the password to log into the database now. So guys, this is ready now. And the data factory is also ready. So launch the data studio. That's it, guys. So here you have it, everyone. So just open this, everyone. So guys, just a minute. So it's creating the data factory. So click on the expand tab. And now guys, let us create the linked service. So for that, click on the manage. So click on the new. Okay.
Yeah.
So first of all, you have to create the link service for what? Gen 2. So I'm using
Yeah.
the Gen 2.
Source
Is it Blob or Gen 2, guys?
Gen 2 only.
Just a minute. Let me check. I don't think it's Gen 2. It's Blob only, guys.
Okay, okay.
Sorry. No problem. I think we
That's
have,
fine.
yeah. So let's make it the Blob only. No problem. Blob and Gen 2, no issues. So we can use it. So I'm using ls underscore blob underscore source. And now select it here, everyone. Azure subscription. And now select it, source ranking, and test the connections. And click on the create. The first link service is ready.
Yes.
Okay, guys, just I'm using it. So now we have to create the link service for the SQL. So I'm
SQL.
using the SQL. use it the Azure SQL, guys. So I'm just using ls underscore SQL DB underscore sync. Select it here, use it here, and now use the server name. And now the next database is target DB. And now use the username. So username is Durga admin. Password is the same password. Test connections. That's it, guys. So click on the create. That's it, guys. So this is ready now. So now directly go to the author. And now, guys, I can directly create the data flow, and we can create the data sets inside the data flow. So for that, I'm creating this data flow directly. So use the name here. So I'm using DF data flow ranking. Any name you can use it, but I'm using the name for understanding as DF underscore ranking. And now this is the Apache Spark cluster, which we have to start. That means here the entire data flow is going to run or being compiled by the Apache Spark cluster. So just open this, add it. So this will take some time for starting up the Apache Spark cluster. And now you have the source. So click on the add source, add a source. Can you see your source? The source is here. So I can give the label. You can give the label of for the source. So I'm using the employees details. Employees details. So do you have any kind of a data set right now? See, you have a inline. Inline is nothing but this option is allowed in order to take the data directly from the Cosmos DB, PostgreSQL, or directly from the source if you want. Okay, some sources. These are some sources from where directly you can take the data. Okay, can you see here? Even the Azure SQL already you have the database. You can use it from the inline. You can use it directly. You can use it. Anyways, right now I have a data set. So just click on the data set and click on the create data set. So guys, the first data set source is what? Blob. So I'm using the blob here. Select the blob. And now guys, the next one is what? CSV file. Select the CSV file and provide the name here. So I'm using ds underscore blob underscore source. That should select the link service, guys. And now select the source. Can you see it? Input ranking. Select the info employees info.csv. Click OK, guys. That's it now. The source is completely ready, guys, everyone. Okay. So here you have what is it? Allow schema drift means what? If any changes is made at the source level, automatically that changes should be updated to your source. That is the only thing you have the allow schema drift. Okay. These are all the options you have it. Okay. So anyways,
So with
okay.
data plus it is new one, I think.
Pardon me.
Data plus it is a new feature, anything.
Data,
Data plus you created data plus right using writer.
data flows now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Data flows is
Previously you
transformations.
okay, okay. The previous sessions I'm not seen it. That's the reason
Okay.
I'm asking.
No, no, transformations we are looking into. Okay. So
Okay.
now, anyways, guys, so this is ready. So the source is ready. So next one, you want to see the data, see here. You have a source option. Okay, if you have some multiple files, you can select the wildcards, and then you have the projection where you can have the all data types. You can change the data types here itself. And then you have optimized tab is there where you can use the partitions, number of partitions and all this. And now finally, I'm using the, can you see it? Inspect means all the details. So you have EMPNO as a string, ename as a string. What are all the data types and the column names are there that you can see in the inspect tab. You want to see the data, click on the data preview and refresh. See here. Okay, guys. So yeah, can you see it? You got the data here.
Yes.
Fine, everyone. See here. This is the data you have it. So guys, these are all the things you have it right now. But now can you see here? Can you see here? How many columns are there? EMPNO, ENAME, job, MGR, hire date. Okay, guys. So here you have what is that? Can you see here? So whenever you want, can you see here? Whenever you want here in this way, I don't want some columns. EMPNO is there, ENAME, job, MGR, hire date, salary, commission, and department number. So out of all these columns, some of the columns I don't want it. I want to remove it. Okay. So
Mhm.
here, what is that you can do is, can you see here? I can use here a transformation called what? Derived column transformation. The derived column transformation allows you to add the columns or remove the columns. Okay, remove the columns, or else you can also use the. Okay, suppose first of all, what you have to do, I want to remove the columns. That is nothing but I don't want the commission, hire date, and MGR. These are the three columns I don't want. So guys, so in order to avoid that, I'm using the first transformation that is called a select transformation. Use the select transformation and now label it. So what's it? Use it here. Cell required columns. Cell required columns. Cell required column. These are the column names I wanted, guys. Can you see here?
Yeah.
So now I want to remove the columns. So see here, which columns you want to remove it? Can you tell me? Don't want the higher rate. I don't want the commission. I don't want the MGR. So remove these columns. See here. So just see the preview. You can debug the preview. You can see the preview at every stage. That is the advantage of the data flow here.
Data Pro series new feature in the ADP, sorry, ADF.
Only in ADF.
Before you do in the parameters under liquid service data set, that kind of things, right?
Uh, so anyways, guys, here you have it. So here you have what's it? Next one. I want one more, okay, that is nothing but I want some columns to be added here. Why? To hold some ranking. Because you have EMPNO, E-name, job, salary, and department number. And based on the salaries, I wanted to rank them, and ranking data should be stored in a new column. So for that, I'm just using a derived column transformation. Just select it here. So use the derived column. Derived means what? Creating a new column is called as derived column. So can you see here? Even I wanted to change the data type. See, what is the data types right now? See here. Here your EMPNO is the ABC. ABC means what? Numeric. E-name is numeric. Job is numeric. Sorry, character. Here a string. Here also string. Salary is also string. Everything is string here. I want to change the data types. So for that, I've used the derived column transformation. So guys, select it here. So I'm using column type casting. I want what is it? Tell me now, guys. Everyone, column type casting. Is everyone am audible? So select it here. So use it here. Open the expression builder. So I'm changing the data type. See. So just clear it. Two integer. Two integer. So I wanted to change this to integer. EMPNO save and finish. That's it, guys. And add one more column. So I want, what is it? Tell me now. Job is there, let it be character. E-name is there, let it be character. And salary, let it be integer. So open this. So use it here. What is that you want? Salary. Salary. Salary, you can make it to what? You can make it to
Integer.
integer, or you can also make it to decimal, guys. Anything you can use it. Decimal also the same, but I'm just taking the decimal. That's it. Click on the save and finish. And now click on the add a column. See here, department number. Okay, that's it now. Put the control, add open expression builder. So give it here to integer. Department number. Save and finish. That's it. Click on the data preview. Refresh it once. So see here, after this, the data types are changed or not. You can just see this. Can you see here? Salary, can you see here? It is decimal. Department number is 123. And this is also integer. It has changed. See, I did not disturb my source. My source output, see here, ABC, ABC, ABC. That means all are string. Here you have it ABC, ABC, ABC. I have not disturbed it. But instead of that, I have changed the data type here. That's it. Now, guys, finally, I want to add the rank transformation here. The rank transformation is here. So just add it here. Change the name. So use the rank here. Ranking. Ranking data. So ranking data. Ranking data. Okay, guys. So I want the
Samir,
ranking.
that is user defined name, right? Output
Which
stream
one?
name. We can give any name or we need to give the same name.
Any name we can give it, no problem.
Any name. Okay.
Any name. So here the ranking column. So I'm using, can you see here? You can use it here. Ranking. I'm using ranking column. Ranking column here. Okay. So can you see here? We sort means what? In order to identify or in order to perform the ranking, which column get participated here? Okay. According to the salary only, we are going to decide the ranking. Which employee, okay, there is something, but is the top employee and which employee is the bottom employee. So use it
Yes.
what? Descending here. Reverse. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
That's it, guys. So just see here. Refresh it once. Can you see here, everyone?
Yeah, got it.
Got it now? See here. Rank 1, 2, 3, 3. Direct 5. Skipping. 4 is not there. 6,
Yes.
7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 11, 11. So direct 13 it will give. Am I right? 12 is skipped here. And 13, 14, 15. That's it. This is how it performs the ranking here. Okay. Now, guys, this is the ranking method. Guys, everyone, this is the ranking method, which is called as what? Normal ranking. It is called as which ranking, guys? Can you tell me which ranking it is?
Normal ranking.
Normal ranking. Now, you have to apply the dense ranking as well. So, let us try to use it here. Okay.
Dense rank means I think it is give order numbers, right? Order numbers, not skipping the numbers, I think.
Yeah, so let's do one thing now. Let's add the sync here directly. I'll add the sync here.
Okay.
Sync means direct target system. Done.
Okay.
So I'm using the target system. Target is what is it?
Blob.
Target is not blob SQLDB.
Okay.
Target,
Target SQL.
yeah,
Oracle SQL admin. Sorry.
yes, yes,
SQL database.
yes. Select the data set. You don't have a data set, so I'm using it SQLDB. So use it here, everyone. DS underscore SQL DB underscore sync. Select the link service. So you have any table? There is no table here. See, the target does not have any table. Do you have a table here, guys? No table. Am I right? No
Yeah.
table at all. So
Yes,
now
sir.
do one thing. So click on this table. Okay, no table is there. So click on the edit. Use new table. Click on this new table. You give the name here DBO, and then use what is that? Tell me now. What is
Table,
that I want?
table name, right?
Employee ranking.
Employee EMP ranking. Okay. Employee ranking normal. I'm using what's the name here? Normal. It's a normal ranking, so hence I'm using the normal ranking. Click on OK. That's it, guys. And now click on the settings. Anyways, if you have auto inserts is there, okay, auto delete, allow upset. Upset means upset is the combination of insert and delete. So you can use all this. So any errors, okay. So nothing is required here anymore. So let the thing decide it. So I'm using the refresh now. See, if you're getting the data on the target system, then it's fine. No problem at all. Normal ranking, the other method is also called as what? Standard ranking. See, this is the data you will have it at the target level. Okay.
Okay.
So now if you want, guys, what I can do is, I can, instead of giving target, I can use standard ranking. Standard or normal are same.
Yeah.
That's it, guys. Standard or normal ranking is same. Now, guys, I have to create one more flow, and this flow should hold what is that? Tell me now. I require to create one more flow, and this flow should hold what?
Dense rank.
That's the new dense rank. So for that, from where do you want to create it? You want to create it from here, or one more flow from this one, or a totally new flow. Totally new flow, generally you don't create it. Am I right?
Yeah, column type casting you can create from column
Very
type.
good. So I can use a column type casting, create a new branch, new branch. Okay, guys, everyone, new branch. Now, so use it here. Now I'm changing the name. I'm providing the name here. I'm providing the name as what? Dense ranking. Dense ranking. Select the ranking here as what? What is that? Tell me now. So here you have it. Output stream is fine. Everything is fine. So just a minute. So now, what is that rank? Just a minute. Remove the branch. I'm removing it from the dense ranking now. Just a minute. Instead of dense ranking, what is the name it was previously? Derived column, no?
Yeah.
Derived column. Let it be as it is, the column derived column, okay? Or else not the derived column, it was column type casting. That's it, okay? This is fine now anyways. Okay. So I'm creating the, guys, everyone, the new branch. So from here, I'm creating the new branch. And now, so this is the new branch. So now anyways, just a minute. Ah, just a minute.
Or after column casting, you can directly use rank, and in that you can use here. Right
Yes, I
click,
can
use.
read it here. Yes, guys, I can use the rank here. Now, fine now. So here I can use it here. What is it? Tell me now.
Dense.
Dense ranking. So the input incoming stream is the same. So ranking column is what? Dense column. Dense column. That's it now. So here give it as what? Dense. Okay, on which column you wanted to perform it? Ranking on the salary column.
Yeah. Yeah.
And now it should be descending or ascending, whatever you want, you can just choose it. So that's it now. See here, inspect, everything is fine. Refresh it.
Somewhere I think you haven't checked that dense. There is an option called dense. Can you go to the rank setting?
See here, the dense is already selected. See,
Oh, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, 5, 4 should be there, right?
okay. Refresh it. Refresh once more. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. No rank is skipped here. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So finally go to the target. Sync system. And here I want, what is that? Dense ranking. That's it, guys. And dense ranking method. Okay. Dense ranking method. And I want to create one more table here. So, and I want to create this table in the SQL database. So use it here, all of you as it is, and use it here, ds underscore SQL db underscore dense. Select the link service. And now guys, create a new table. So just use it as dbo. And I want, what's it, dense. Click on OK. Finally, that's it, guys. So you want to see the flow, refresh it. See here, everyone, this is ready. So finally go to the pipeline, new pipeline. So give the pipeline name PL underscore ranking DF execute. That's it. So guys, from the move and transform, select the data flow. Don't select the copy this time. Select the data flow. And now go to the settings and select it here. The data for that is DF which you want to run. That is the data flow. You want to run this. Click on the debug. That's it, guys. Finished.
Samir.
Yeah.
Yeah. In the on-premise to cloud transfer the copy activity, right? That time also it is possible to this all the things rank and delete columns. This all.
Uh,
My source is a SQL server.
hmm,
I am copying the data to ADL Gen 2. That
hmm.
time also this you done these things in the derived
Same.
column.
Process
Yeah,
will be same.
it is.
See, only the source target selection will be different. That's it. Rest of the all the things will be the same.
Okay.
So, anyways, this is running. So, anyways, guys, see here. It is succeeded. So, go to the target now. Refresh it. Target now. See the table. Two tables are created, dense and EMP normal ranking. Am I right?
Yeah.
So, I'm using the select star from dense ranking. Run this. So I want what is it? The next one is what? EMP ranking, normal rank. Got it, everyone? Yes? Hello?
Yes.
So this is how the
So,
data. That's it, guys. So this is the normal and dense ranking we have it, okay? That's it for the day. So
Samir, please tell me the one steps. I get a task in my yesterday in my
anyways, you have the
sourcing.
recording that you can replay it and see it. Am I right? Mm.
Just tell me steps. What steps I can do?
Only step is that you have to use the data flow. That's it. Nothing else is the step. Okay. That's it, guys. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.